So hello friends, my name is Jaideep Patil. I am from second year. So I am here to present my front-end and back-end project in which I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So my project is all about extraction of crop cycle parameters from the multi-temporal data with the crop sense, in which we will for some specific information from the farmer, and we will give him the output which is basically which type of plant or crop he can plant on his farm, which type of soil he is having, and which is the ideal soil for that plant, and which kind of fertilizers he can use on his plants. So this is the home page of my website. So we will just click on the go. So it will redirect you on the sign up page. Just as we don't have any account, so we will just click on the sign up. uh, Firstly we will provide a name to this form, sign up form. Let's suppose Ramesh. Let's suppose his email ID is Ramesh @gmail.com. We have to give the password. Just click on sign up. As we can see, it is giving us message that account is created successfully. Please log in. We can check in our database that our account is created or not. So the database called test_db. We will just click on table users. As we can see, our entry is successfully entered. Ramesh, email is ramesh @gmail.com, and as we know, password is encrypted. So we will just log into the website. Okay, this is the home page of my website. We can say main page of the website. Here are some several tabs like crops, irrigation, cultivation techniques, fertilizers. So he will just get some knowledge from it. If as we can see, if we clicked on the crop, here are some crops. These are the crops which is planted frequently by a farmer. We can add many more plants or crops in future in it also. So if we clicked on the cotton, so it will show you the information related to cotton. We can see if we select sugarcane, so it will just give you the information about sugarcane. And not in this tab only, in every tab we have provided the information, like we know fertilizers are the important part in the farming. So here the information about fertilization, like types of fertilizers, essential nutrients in the fertilizers. Okay, so here is some general information. Crop overview, cropping patterns in India. Okay, I will show you the main section of my website called analysis. If we clicked on analysis tab, uh, we will redirect on the smart crop advisor page. Here we are asking for some information from the user, like which kind of crop he wants to plant in his farm. So if we selected cotton, and also it will ask you the user which type of soil is there in his farm. So let's suppose there is sandy soil, and also it will ask for the weather, because weather can affect the farming also. So let's suppose there is cool weather, and if you clicked on analyze, so it will give you some information like recommended fertilizers for cotton. What are the recommended fertilizers for cotton? Phosphorus, potash, organic compost. And what should be the steps for of farming for cotton? Sowing, weeding, picking, ginning. Best season to grow cotton is kharif, which is summer. and also it will give you some important notes. Means if you selected any uh, non-ideal information or non-ideal situation for that specific crop, so it will give you the note that if so as we know we have selected sandy soil, so it is giving me the sandy soil is not ideal uh, soil for planting the cotton plant. The recommended soil is black and red, and also weather should not be cool for optimal growth of the cotton plant. Weather should be dry or hot. So this is the main section of our website, and also there is one section called reports. If we clicked on the report section, here we have given some reports which is related to the crops, which is related to the farming, which is related to some several factors like weather, fertilizers, cultivation techniques, modern techniques. Like the farmer wants to know about the modern techniques which are growing in the farming sector, so he will just click on download PDF, and as we can see the PDF is downloaded. So we can see the PDF is the PDF which will give some specific information about farming to the farmer. We can try another also. Let's suppose the farmer wants to know about weather, so it is the information about weather. Okay, so now I will show you the footer part of my website. Here we have given some tabs like about us. If you click on about us, it will give you the information about the website, general information about the website, and also there is a tab called contact us. Okay, it is also important tab. If the user is having some query about some section or about a website, so he will just enter his details and enter his message and click on send message. So I will show you, like Ram is having some problem, so he will just enter his name and enter his email ID. Like he will just enter his email ID like ram12@gmail.com, and he has some query. Like let's suppose he's having query about uh, the analysis tab, so he will just enter I am having problem in analysis tab, and he will just click on send message. As we can see, it is showing us message contact saved successfully. So we can just check in our database whether the information is saved in our database or not. So database name is contact. We'll just click on the table called message, and as we can see the entry which is given by Ram, I am having problem in analysis tab. So the admin can proceed on his query accordingly. So there are some other tabs in here. We have provided some questions, and also like FAQ, payment frequently asked questions, payment page, in which we have provided two types of plans, monthly and yearly. From here the farmer can easily access our plans. Subscription model, in which we provided some facilities to the farmer, he can talk to the expert, he can uh, have a chat support, video call access, additional suggestions to the farming or to his crops. And also there is one section follow us. As we know, this is a project, so we haven't created any social media handle of our website, so we have just given the URL of our university to it. So if we clicked on Instagram, so it will redirect you on the university Instagram handle, same in LinkedIn. So okay friends, this is all about my project. Thank you.